Welcome to physics class. Today we are going to see fourth question in GATE Physics 2020. The question is, let A dagger respectively denote the lowering and raising operators of a one-dimensional simple harmonic oscillator. Let N be the energy eigenstate of the simple harmonic oscillator. Given that N is also an eigenstate of A dagger AA, the corresponding eigenvalue is option A n into n minus 1, option B n into n plus 1, option C n into n plus 1 whole square, and option D n square. So in this question they have given the raising operator is A dagger and lowering operator is A for a simple harmonic oscillator. For solving this problem we need to know two relationships, that is equation 1. A operates on the eigenstate n and gives root of n into n minus 1 state. And same time the raising operator A dagger operates on n and gives root of n plus 1 into n plus 1 state. The eigenvalue can be obtained by operating A dagger AA on the eigenstate n. By using the equation 1 and 2 and by following the steps, you can find that the answer is n into n minus 1. If you have any trouble in following the steps, please write in the comment section. Question 3. A quantum particle is subjected to a potential of V of x, 0 inside the well and infinity outside the well. The ground state wave function of the particle is proportional to option A sin pi x by 2a, option B sin pi x by a, option C cos pi x by 2a, option D cos pi x by a. In this question, they have given a particle inside a potential well and the well has a potential of 0 inside the well and outside the well it is infinity. They have asked us to find the ground state wave function is proportional to one among this option. In quantum mechanics, we have already studied that wave function of the particle for the given potential well is psi of x is equal to root 2 by a cos n pi x by a for odd values of n, and for even values of n, psi of x is equal to root 2 by a sin n pi x divided by a. As they have asked us to find for ground state, the n value is equal to 1. So that is, we have to substitute in the wave function for odd numbers. So psi of x is equal to root 2 by a cos pi x by a. So the wave function, ground state wave function is proportional to cos pi x divided by a. That is option D. For your reference, I have given the eigenvalue and eigenfunction of particles trapped in different potential well.